This is Mark in the Center for Online Learning and Innovation. You might know that Google Forms is a fantastic way to collect information from other people via the web, such as in surveys or sign-up sheets. You can build or run a survey as a team and even allow multiple people to see or work with the data that it collects in a spreadsheet. I'll show you how you can share your Google form and its data sheet with colleagues or collaborators. If you need to share a form with a colleague, bear in mind that you probably want to share the Google Sheet containing data collected also with that colleague as well. To share the form, I click the three vertical dots up in the far right of the form editor screen, not in the form editor itself, but up here instead. And I choose Add Collaborators. Then I'll enter in the email address of the person with whom I'd like to share the form. To share the data spreadsheet, the process is similar. In this case, I click the button Share, and then I add the email address of the person with whom I'd like to share it. I'm going to return to the sharing window, and I'm going to click Advanced. In the sharing settings box, both in Google Sheets and Forms, you'll get a list of those people with whom you've shared specifically by name the particular sheet or form, or for that matter, Google Doc or other file type in Google Drive. And if I want to remove someone from sharing, that is, no longer grant them access to this particular item, a Google Sheet, I'll click the X to the right of their name. Here's another tip. When you share with somebody, Google grants you the option of sending a notification email to this individual telling her or him that you've shared these items. In actual practice, this can cause some confusion, since those less familiar with Google Drive click the links in the email and try to open it in a browser where they are potentially not logged in, or worse, logged into a personal Gmail account and not their Canisius Google Drive. So when working with folks that have less experience with Google Drive, I skip these notifications and instead tell them directly to log into their Canisius Google Drive via the portal or My Canisius, and then look in their Shared With Me section.